The Man Who Kept His Promise. A short moral story that will connect you to the value of determination. Dear listeners, determination is to decide and follow a certain path that is right and continue to strive for it until the goal is achieved. One can do anything if one is determined. Determined persons make up their mind to achieve their aim in spite of all the difficulties without getting discouraged or losing hope. Nothing is impossible. Make up your mind to do a thing and you will surely achieve what you are striving for. If you are determined to succeed from very beginning, nothing and no one can stop you. Let us begin with a story. In 1883, a creative engineer named John Roebling was inspired by an idea to build a spectacular bridge connecting New York with the Long Island. However, the bridge building expert throughout the world thought that this was an impossible feat and told Roebling to forget this idea. It just could not be done as it was not practical and it had never been done before. But Roebling could not ignore the vision that he had in his mind of this bridge. He thought about it all the time and he knew deep in his heart that it could be done. He just had to share the dream with someone else. After much discussion and persuasion, somehow he managed to convince his son Washington, an upcoming engineer, that the bridge in fact could be built. Working together for the very first time, the father and the son developed the concept of how it could be accomplished and how the obstacles could be overcome. With great excitement, inspiration, and the headlines of a wild challenge before them, they hired their crew and began to build their dream bridge. The project was started well, but it was only a few months underway. A tragic accident on the site took the life of John Roebling. Washington was also injured and left with a certain amount of brain damage, which resulted in him not being able to walk or talk or even move. We told them, crazy men and their crazy dreams. It's foolish to chase the wild visions. Everyone had a negative comment to make and felt that the project should be scrapped since the Roebling was the only one who knew how the bridge could be built. In spite of his handicap, Washington was never discouraged and still had a burning desire to complete the bridge, and his mind was still as sharp as ever. He tried to inspire and pass on his enthusiasm to some of his friends, but they were too daunted by the task. As he lay on his bed in his hospital room, with the sunlight streaming through the windows, a gentle breeze blew the flimsy white curtains apart as he was able to see the sky and the tops of the trees outside just for a moment. It seemed that there was a message for him not to give up. Suddenly, an idea hit him. All he could do was he could move one of his finger, and he decided to make the best use of it. By moving this, he slowly developed a code of communication with his wife. He touched his wife's arm with that finger, indicating to her that he wanted to call the engineers again. Then he used the same method of tapping her arm to tell the engineers what to do. It seemed foolish, but the project was underway again. For 13 years, Washington tapped out his instructions with finger on his wife's arm until the bridge was finally completed. Today, spectacular Brooklyn Bridge stands in all its glory as a tribute to triumph of one man's indomitable spirit and his determination not to be defeated by the circumstances. It is also a tribute to the engineers and their teamwork and to their faith upon a man who was considered mad by half the world. It stands too as tangible as a monument to the love and devotion of his wife, who for 13 years patiently decoded the messages of her husband and told engineers what to do. The moral of the story is, even the most distant dream can be realized with determination. Dear children, share our similarities, celebrate our differences. You must know that a person becomes great by a virtue of what he or she does and achieves. Great people never reach great heights suddenly. They never got anything served on a silver plate but pursued single-mindedly to achieve their goal. Gandhiji, Abraham Lincoln, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru and other great personalities were called great due to their determination. Great people are never worried about their failures, but they become more determined after each failure. They analyze the reasons of their failures and in the next attempt they do not repeat the mistake they did earlier. Thus, they became a successful man. Dear listeners, hit the like button if you like my story and also stay connected with me for another such stories. Stay tuned and stay connected with me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.